Add 2 egg yolks, 20 grams vanilla sugar, and 100 grams granulated sugar to a saucepan. Mix well until smooth. Add 200 milliliters milk and stir well. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly. Do not let it boil. Cook until the mixture thickens slightly. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve and let it cool to room temperature. Whip 250 milliliters heavy cream until thick and fluffy. Gradually, add the whipped cream to the cooled mixture, gently mixing until smooth. Pour the mixture into a container and freeze for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove from the freezer, stir well, and freeze again for another 40 minutes. After another 40 minutes, remove from the freezer, stir well, and freeze again for 40 minutes. After another 40 minutes, remove from the freezer, stir well, and freeze again for 40 minutes. After the final 40 minutes, stir once more and freeze for 6 hours or until completely frozen. After 6 hours, remove from the freezer, scoop into a dessert bowl, and enjoy this delicious homemade ice cream. Subscribe, like, and enjoy your meal.